you are working on that file, and you have a smartphone, and you can take the east and north value. Okay, then how to put that your north value exact areas, today we will learn.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you are out, that is in hometown,
Yes, sir.
and you have a smartphone,
Yes, sir.
and you can take the GPS point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you where you are now, please. If you give that GPS point, then okay. So your name is, tell me.
Akash Sardar, sir.
Akash Sardar. Wait, I am just opening your file.
But sir, I didn't complete my project because sir, when you give sir time, that time sir, our laptop was crashed, and also I go
What
to
about the
our
others, please? Anyone who already complete the project fully, and you can take the GPS point, a smartphone with. My concept is clear, yes or no? Tell me. That is, suppose Google, if you enter the Google and you can give the that is the point X and Y value, that is east and north value, or anyone have the Google map, that is the GPS point, how to collect it, you know that?
No, sir, I don't know how to collect it.
sir. Please show
No,
us, sir.
no, you have the GPS smartphone, you can see the east and north value. Suppose, as for example, if anywhere is jam, how to see the jam area?
Sir, from
When
the
you,
Google map.
yes, Google Map. That's why if you have a Google Map, how to put that data, okay? Or I will use the another person data, whatever you like. Mr. Nobiullah Naim, what about you?
Yes, sir.
So you have a smartphone.
Yes, sir.
So Google, or any other device you have to the GPS point, the the mobile always just give the exact where you now. It will locate that things, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Just check it. Where are you now? Tell me. And the east and north value.
Yes, sir. We collect.
Okay, tell me the value. Rashidul Islam.
Degree 45. Sir, hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, my home district is Rajbari.
Okay, you are now
So
in
my
living
not.
in Raspberry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the east and north value. East and north value.
Sir, east value 23 degree and 45 minute and 50 second. And northeast value 89 degree 35 second, 5 minute and 33 second.
89 degree, 35 minute.
And 33 second east value.
East value, yes. And north value is
23 degree 45 minute 50 second.
so please.
15 second.
Okay, just we need to just a minute. I am using the calculator to. You are doing your PBS map. Tell me. You are doing you are working on your PBS map, yes or no? Tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
No. The Nobiullah Naim.
Yes, sir. I'm doing my PBS, Gazipur PBS.
No. You are working on Gazipur PBS and you are giving the which areas. My question is, Nobiullah Naim, you are giving the point is Gazipur PBS areas point. This is
Yes, sir.
okay. That's it. Okay. Just a minute. I am converting these things. 89, 33. East is last is 33. Please, everyone convert it. Your converting value, please tell me. 89.5925 and 50 divided by 60 plus 35 divided by 60 plus 23. So tell me your value, the 4 value, that is 50 divided by, so I am just unzip your file, your ID,
Sir, 17105018, sir.
17105018, this Gazipur. Okay. I'm just putting these things here. Okay, then unzip it. Okay. After the unzip, listen, we need to copy it because this is the 2 folder created here. That's why we need to copy it. Okay. I just paste it here. Then delete the Gazipur on, PBS on. Then cut it and put in the C drive. And then open from here. This is your tick.
Yes, sir. My tick.
Okay, then so please divided the whole things. Otherwise, please 50 your is value. Okay, is value is 20 50 divided by 60. Okay, then plus 45, then divided by 60 again, then plus 23. So northeast, we need to convert the whole thing in trade. Okay, so now this is the file. How to create that? I will just put this value. Suppose east and north. Okay, I'm just put on created text file and write it. Please, just I'm preparing these things, then you will do it. East tab, north value, enter. Then my east value is 89.59. If your data is okay, then it will automatically come, don't worry. And you need to give the another tab, 23.7638. Just save it and close it. Now we are just putting this value, add data, add XY data. Then browse from the eastern north text, north value, and OK, and OK. And then we need to put it bigger so that we can see it. If we uncheck it, you are leaving other areas. Your district is not correct. Look at these things. You are giving the other areas. 89, 35, and look at these things. I am just putting on area because Naim's file is not okay. Then I am just giving the Dinaspur sum of the person area. Look at this data. How to put the GPS data and insert it in the map. Today's task is actually main task is that. How to make this type of things, because you are doing your hometown thing and you are living in that area. So at least your area's point you need to show it here. Look at these areas. This is the areas. File, I just click the tick. Okay, already. File, add data, add XY. Then browse it. XY data, add it. Eastern, north value. Apply it. Okay. Now look at the data here. I just change the color. Okay, this is the point. So please, if you do not have that type of point, okay. Listen on things. If you do not have that point, but you need to understand these things. So what we will do? My request to you, please listen how to insert a point. Everyone open it, connect the tick, and please everyone open it and connect the tick, and where you are now living, please move your mouse cursor there. Suppose move your mouse cursor there, and you already finished east and north value last class. You know that. So move your mouse cursor, please. My request to everyone, if you do not have that type of GPS receiver or like that, but suppose as for example Dinajpur Shodor, as for example, or your other areas, suppose Upojela. So move your mouse cursor here, move your mouse cursor. This is your mouse cursor. Okay. Then go to the down. That is the sum point. Okay. Divided by the 60. First is, here is the degree minute second. East divided by the 60, then minute 40, divided it. Okay. Add it. How to make a, you know that things, how to create it? Yes or no? X map and Y map value. You already know that, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
know? So now, if you
Yes,
know
sir.
that,
Yes, sir.
okay, if you know that, so imaginary you can make a file. Imaginary you can make a file. Anyhow, imaginary make a file. Suppose Dinajpur, this is the area Dinajpur. As for example, Dinajpur Shodor area. Okay. So you can make, open your file. Everyone, open your file and then divided it. Your area Shodor, divided it, divided the point. The right side below there is a point. Okay, this point, please divided it. Here is the 80 degree 39.4. Please 39.4 minute and 39 9 minute 4.299 second. So you need to make it all in the degree minute second. Make it. My concept is clear for everyone, yes or no? Tell me. Suppose how to input a point. Here is the on point, how to input inside the map. Today we will learn how to input inside a map. Some of the areas you can move your mouse cursor. Then the below right side, there is the east and north value. You will convert it all the degree value. Okay, using the tick point like that, tick point. Okay, or it is easy for you, I think. Please, you can copy some of the tick point. You can copy it. X and Y, copy it. Then how to put that data you can. Suppose X, I'm just copy this X and open it and give it text document. I'm just put it here because X and Y already, that's why A and B. I just put it here A and B. A tab, you need to give it tab, B enter, then put the first data, paste. Then again tab. Then go to the second point. Copy it. Then paste it here. Then save it. And close it. So again file, add data, add XY data, browse it, A and B. So look, now look at the screen. The point is where? Tell me. Now the concept is clear?
Outside of the.
No, that first tick. This is the first tick. You have a
Yes, sir.
yes. Just practice it. What you will do? I will do this first, then you will do. Listen, everyone, right button click, go to the new and click the text document. Okay, click the text document, click it. Because sometimes you need to insert some of the GPS point, how to insert it. So this is the way. So add new. Okay, then suppose you can use your computer maybe X and Y. Okay, I'm just deleting the XY or give the name XY just out it. Now I'm just giving the value X and Y. Text document X Y. Okay, finished. I'm just deleting all the point. Okay, remove it. Remove all the point. Now it is the pointless. But how to please first tick, connect the tick. Now we will check it the second point. How to check it? So you need to prepare it. Everyone double click it. After the prepare, double click it and give it here X. This time after the X, you will tab it and give it Y. Don't use the space bar and then enter it. After the enter, just copy your two values. Suppose second number, just copy it. If you understand today's class, then any of the point, any of the GPS point, you can easily, you can. If you need 4 point, look at these things. I'm just putting the 4 point. Suppose 4 areas, 4 point. The concept is clear, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
have a question.
Tell me.
So for particular place in a map, how will we get this tick value?
In particular map,
In the maps are in such a particular place, like in any point, how we collect the tick points.
just a minute, listen. Suppose I just finished it, then I will give you the answer. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just a minute. This is your map. Suppose we just use the map for the tick this point. You do not need to do this. You can digitize georeferencing these things if you have a GPS receiver or a smart mobile phone, as for example. This map, here is so many locations, but for the especially any type of map, if you want to georeferencing, at least you need 4.4 areas. Suppose these areas you can take on point, exact positioning areas you need to take it. So that in the map areas you can click it. Okay, without these 4 points to make this, suppose rectangular type of things you are made here, you do not need it. First point from some areas, this area, suppose which primary school this is, okay, you can. Another point, you can that areas, but the exact location should be, you need to identify. Then another location, suppose this areas, and another location this areas. Then if you georeferencing the same thing, it will work. So next is add data, then add XY. Then browse your file, then XY, add it, X and Y, okay, and okay. So look, this 4 point exact positioning, make it everyone. My request to everyone, make it. Because at the final assignment, when you will submit, some of the points you need to submit, you need to add it. GIS is a practical work. That's why you need to add it. That's why you need to learn it. So please, who are working on the computer, please make it. Just recording these things, it will continue up to your end of life, but it is difficult for you to learn if you not practice this type of things in the class time. Please, if you finish, tell me.
Not finished yet, sir.
Okay, okay, please carry on. No problem. No problem. This day, no problem. This X, tab Y. First point at the finishing areas, tab another point. Don't worry, it is just shifting. It's not your headache. The computer shifted it, that's why. Don't worry about this matter. How to insert the GPS point. If we finish this X and Y value, then I will go to the next step. How to insert it. Why you take so much time? It's on point you can. Only on point. Mr. Fine, you finished it? Or you are just only watching this thing? Everyone, please, you have a computer, you have a tick point. Just make the XY value with the tick. And how to add it, because at the time of submission, you need to add these things. Tajul Islam, you are working on the computer or the mobile phone? Tell me. Akram Hossain? Jannatul Mawa, what about you? Tell me, please. You are working on the computer or the mobile phone? Why you all are silent? Tell me. Are you listening my voice?
Yes, sir.
or no?
Yes, sir. We have done, sir.
Okay. You finish this part or insert the things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You already insert this thing point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your 4 points. So how to any type of point, because in the practical life, sometimes you need to go to the, as for example, I just give you an example. So many students are in the, okay, agriculture and civil and electrical. So if you want to make a road, as for example, listen, here, suppose this area you have a project. This is the point, you are looking this point, yes or no? This road, they already took this point and just changing the point. That's why these areas look like that. So if you have any project, you need to extend the road, because here how to extend it. So you can make a assumption road by using the GPS point. So you will go to that point, and after 100 meter or 20 meter after, you will take a point and insert this point, and you can easily understand your project area. How an electrical person, you can also, suppose if you need to extend a electrical line from this area, so what do you need to do? Beside the road, you need to take the GPS point, and you will just take this GPS point up to that. When you just add this XY type of things here, then automatically all the point, it will show it to you. The concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
And the agriculture.
Yes, sir.
As for example, you have so many, okay, land, different areas. This area, some of the land is this area, and you are doing so many cultivation, different type of things. So how to show your project area? How? So you will go to that area and take the GPS point and add this point here. So easily it will come. I think the concept is now clear for everyone. So next step, please, everyone, you will just shift your this 4 point, just insert this 4 point X and Y event, insert it into your map. Don't forget it. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, try to insert it. Okay, now I am just calling your name one by one, and you will